You Sap and Jaden.
Mama, thank you for the galaxy.
Hey, you tata, but bro.
You know everything? Send me, no?
She say you know everything about her. That is funny thing. So that means that she tell you everything.
I beg on that talk.
Look how she can't see you.
Alright, well, let me hear the head of the ensemble. The head of the ensemble. What him
Oh,
have to say?
see me.
Titi,
So we look nice though.
we invite you yesterday and take you out, girl. Treat you nice. Give you the nice, you drink from shake bottle every day. Yourself, then sitting. Come on, man. You can't in our house and have dirty stinking, man. Because I spot you on the live last night, you know. I told me in a straight mix up, you know. You just come off, because I say, who that's a man.
What me do?
I miss nothing for TikTok, so all of the things.
River. Next time you come, you will make me know. Alright.
I don't know, I just go on to the little man the way I bring with them. I find you bring down one and from there, all the way.
All the way bring down, baby.
All the way bring down.
So kindly go on over here.
Go on to the man.
You're evicted out of the hands from.
And take a little.
I couldn't believe.
But one about the pregnancy. One.
Then you look like you catch my video.
So much for the liver cake, baby. You only spend.
No, but we want to know if it's a baby ant coming. We want to know about the baby ants.
Brother,
Like a gas.
the people them. Alright, so the people them, you know.
You're not answer me. Well, one at a time. Anna, what you say?
I feel like a gas shag. Maybe she just want fart.
Oh, so she should have fought.
She should have fart.
Oh, hold on. Alright, hold on. Alright, Mika Boo, what you have to say? Me tear down, me tear down the man in disco.
Oh, Mika Boo sleeps up in there.
Mika Boo, what you have to say? You did, what about the
You hear me, man. You not hear me. Me tell you.
We need to know about, yeah.
I know the truth. I may get TT till 9 o'clock. Unless things are go.
See, you know the truth?
Yeah.
No man, them a story a bust up too fast. The story a bust up.
Yeah, me know it's true for true. I who TT call? Yesterday.
Me no know who she call.
Let me win the match at my bossy bag before 9 o'clock.
Yeah, use the head power.
Guys, who don't like up his scream? Who don't share up your life?
Who TT call yesterday?
Yes, TT now. TT now to make it. The people, the boy styler. TT make the boy styler.
Thank you.
TT make the boy styler.
Thank you.
Yes, for
TT make the boy styler.
For TT get mad and run away boy and say, oh,
TT should have run with the boy.
Somewhere.
Yeah, anything she do for herself.
Run him away.
You see
I
me?
say, boy, you know, yeah, me, I'm don't admit I say TT used to bring food for
You
him.
get what me I say? TT should make the boy did there come style.
And then my style back TT to make it look like say TT nonsense.
Alright, guys, I could play of that game here at back.
One wheel,
I could play that game here at back.
15. Thanks.
Somebody said.
Dad, focus pound the box. Everybody focus pound the box. I'm not telling the Spurs, you see lowest person have a lowest score, I wanna go jump up because TT have to come back over here.
Guys, shoot up his score. Guys, shoot up his score.
The person have the lowest score.
His score, guys. Guys, shoot up his score, guys.
Get jump out and win a
Guys, when you catch a 9.
Guys,
When
come
you
on.
catch a 9, guys, come in, guys. Push up his score, guys. Remember me have it.
No better, guys, everybody, me I work for my box, no business. Yeah, guys, everybody, come on chat. Somebody go drop out to them, no business. Me have the year, so I go on. Guys, everybody. Thank you, baby. Thank you, chat. Thank you, guys. Everybody come in. All of you don't like me, just double tap and scream because you like it mix up. Guys, double tap, chat. Double tap, guys. Everybody pushing. Don't make me lose the box. Chat, don't make me lose the box, chat. Yeah. One away go lose the box, the TT come in. Come on, chat. Double, chat. Guys, we're going to sump on the double. We are coming. You are coming now. Tap, listen to that, the girl. You are coming on this now. Clear up yourself. Guys, come on, chat. Guys, double. Come on, chat. Take your baby. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. But guys, one galaxy, one money gun. One galaxy, one money gun. Come on, chat. One galaxy. Child, I'm a gift towards them. Everybody a double tap, guys. Thank you.
Hey.
No, we gotta ask her that. She's gonna come over, guys. They say a lie. They say a lie. I'm not ask her that. Don't care. Wingy, Mika Boom, don't listen to a lot of things, because you see the chat, you have to have proof. They can come and say anything. So you can't just listen to the chat, because the chat can say something and we don't know if it is true.
Melissa.
Right? All right. Eldino. Eldino, can you hear me?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
All right, Eldino, we are gonna walk with grace, but you don't know say enough for long. All right?
Yeah.
All
Don't
right?
let them,
Keep your chat occupied. Keep it occupied.
In a
Give me a
real
jump.
life. Diva Arena,
don't
everybody.
let them get to your babes. Eat them. Eat them like a shit.
Williams, alright, mama.
Mama, come.
Don't let nobody get to you, come here.
TT, your turn.
None of them get to you.
Here.
Who that?
Yeah, make your cuss on the media. Go
Who that?
Thank you.
Married ready, mama. Focus.
Who that?
Look like this one in a week yet.
Who that?
Come and take back something them.
Who that? Who that?
Eh?
Who that? Who that?
Oh, no, man. The man that will work on the house. Some people them. See them people them here. Them not afraid. Say hi, guys. Say hi. See them there?
Show the whole family views. Wanna sleep TT record. They say yes, Mika. Come to mommy internet. They said she show Alex asleep last night. I say if me mommy me gear Father God. This been come like a cameraman.
Ready, TT?
Mika was there. Top the lie for me.
TT, come over.
Mommy, you good?
When me hear say the girl video Alex and the mattress. Hey TT.
Why you walk on a video people
Where you
for?
video Alex and the mattress for?
I lie. The screen I can't show somebody that show Alex.
Now that they say Jabba say you say.
No go so. I lie.
Guys.
Too much people say I true.
3+ year true TT.
Just like
They
us.
say, but my moderator say true. You didn't have video Alex last night?
No.
You liar down me dog, but not tell a lie. Not even me lie so.
Lie with a passion. That's true. So me show Alex in it.
The floor.
So we make you go on live with your ex. Him send me request to play too much and me say me need
You
it.
say you love your ex last night.
That God. Nobody can look a joke.
Is that
Give her some time. Give her some time, make she can talk now. If you ask her a question, make she can really
Make she talk.
have time to say something. TT, why your video Alex asleep on the
Me
bed
love
last
man too
night?
much. True, me at the youth for my life and I play too much. I say me love man too much. And so me say so why me love man. And so me I say match me come up. Say if me I play match with one man, you know come up for my life. Come tell me say me love man.
No good. Say it again.
Me tell why me know say that did go on last night for my life because
But TT, a lot of people say your video Alex pan the bed and them something there. Like late night, like you up and do some shady ass thing where it don't need it. Because me I'm step here at my home. I remember saying no TT, my home not done fix it or nothing, but I still upset because you know what I'm saying? And you come there and you with me and whatever. I say you just cool, you get me? And just tell, all right, we're going to talk about the pregnancy. We're going to talk about the pregnancy, please. Guys, I just don't want to hear my gone.
the people them they over my life. Me I try to play too much. They run gone over the man life and tell the man say me pregnant. And I feel Annie son one. And so me I say, oh no stress. Why I no gone over the man life and tell the man them something about me? Suppose me they want the man to know. And so, if people start bash me over female life and him start pan phone on name, all me I tell him, man, don't bring up their name for me life. Please, me beg you, don't call their name for me life. All me did me a beg and me a plead and something.
Hold on the TT, you see, become me one day in the top 10 this morning, and no matter how not try to come distract me.
Guys,
Chat me, I beg you to double tap on the screen. I beg you no. Jesus, even if you not follow on the TT tapping it now. God merciful child. Me I beg you no. Everybody come together. Me no want hear nothing until me say one good double tap on my screen. Me not lie to you. It chat can't so dead. Me not lie to you. It don't look good. It don't look good, chat. All if you pass through, all if I visit you, I visit and go back.
Thank you.
Double chat, double tap, guys. We're going to some energy.
Score.
Chat, if you
Thank you, my baby. So, thank you.
Guys, push up the score.
Keep out the whole part.
Thank
Thank you. So we make sure him do more work.
this her man, and she feel she use the situation to make her man known for the media. Because if your man over there disrespect who you're there on in our people, you could have jump. You get me I say? You could have jumped off her life, but you did it for hours. And end. I constantly I fatigue and I push in with him. So you never have respect for we in a sense this. None at all. So
you cancel off on my show.
situation to build a man for your man get known to.
Guys, so
You get me I say? That your man and your ex.
So your man that TT.
Me and him not there.
So the pregnancy of him.
No?
Yeah, explain to him and all of these things. I'm man.
I know me man. Me be honest, I know me man. Me and him not there.
Why
I
make
mean,
me disrespect
ex have to be an ex, I know me man.
that no make me. If no, and about
Love
loving,
her.
look what me I say now. If somebody a disrespect all the way.
I love somebody when I always a this one me every turn me turn from way down. Turn ask
You are the person house.
anyone of the co-worker them, he always a this one.
Hold on there, guys. We have a double. TT, more ask you a serious question. Chat me now like, no go and good. No go and good.
Brother.
Me not like to no chat, no go and good. Chat, me want ask you, TT, me want ask you a question. Double chat, double, guys, double.
Use the double.
TT, are your ex-man that will bite you?
No.
I not invite you.
Use the gloves, guys. Please, use the gloves. Everybody use the gloves, chat. Guys, we're going to wheel around. Let's not.
TT, I not invite you.
But me that the man never put it on for me because me never grow on him. Once in a while me grow on him.
So which one of them bite you?
You go on him.
When you tell me married now.
Thank you, baby.
2020.
Oh, me can't see.
2021?
Thank you, guys. Me can't see.
Oh. So you still love this man here?
Everybody at work together.
Guys, we're gonna stop on the double chat. Double my side. You still love him.
What me I do with him? He have him woman, so what me I do with him?
Thank you, guys.
Just go around last night on the live. Because I know say I got this one me. I want to hear when I say when I ask him if he love me and something. And he start be like, no. He married and he married man and something. So I say, so you start this one me now, you know man, nobody if you know say me are your ex because you're afraid of screen recording. Well, the more screen record, you are disrespect Annie and family.
So or you up there disrespect your whole family, disrespect you and him take you for a fool. You ain't use it, man.
Wait, did you
understand that?
before he disrespect us, did you ask him then if you love him or after?
And before you start disrespecting him, I tell you, man, say, change the subject, how we chat about something else. The man just dung in on the skin and me I say, bad man, now come over here with the people screen your card.
But you tell the man say him better than Jagger, that you tell him say, you tell the man say him better than Jagger, so
he said that?
I don't understand. Yeah, she said that.
Nobody no better than nobody, I shake around.
But you said that it.
She used the man to try I man she try use your attention to Jagger and Chanel.
No, the man supposed to be your baby father, you know, and you tell the next man say the man better than your baby father.
Annie,
yeah?
Listen to me. Our man, she just a give our man piece of internet. TT a try make her own series for herself. Understand?
Yeah.
Out there, baby.
Girl just want to make a series for herself. Our man. And I give a man piece of cloud. Because if you never give a man piece of cloud.
Yeah, smile.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, this is
Well, I want to hear what Redan said. Don't but out Redan. Make Redan stay on this.
that jump.
Let Daniel stay. Yeah.
That jump, because if a person disrespect the person house where you're there now, and you know say screen recording I go out, you know how the media stay with the Ants family, you know how it go, bro. So automatically you know everything what you do, it's all a plan, bro. And we not gonna go around
Any
nobody.
video, Alex?
It's a plan to build for your man, so if you fall off out of your Ants family, she and her man can go and do the media too, bro. It's a plan thing, because from once you see
Not at all. Me never plan this. Me never expect this.
bro. Me not like grown kind of, me like speak it as it is, you know. I
Me
want
not lie. I'm not going to tell a lie.
you can use that bill
He
also.
owe Annie an apology.
Yeah, bro.
Him owe the whole everybody.
Every chat.
What you mean by him? I know him, mama. You let in this person.
Oh, I know it's my fault to add him to my life and have him a disrespect on.
See him say so, bro. I'm not afraid to talk. That's shit, but I use way for bill series, bro. Make her money. You get me? I
She
say?
use mom because mom is soft.
No, she not use your mother, you know. Or your mother genuine, you know, bro. You have
Mommy
to ask your mother,
genuine.
bro. And it to everybody, you know.
I mean, I use him as bait to bash.
No, hold on, I'm making her talk now. You know, when I get this wrong, you know, people are going to say, yo, she use her head for Annie too soft. No. The thing is, Annie has daughter to bro. She I go soft to her next current pick, my friend. You get me, I say? Remember, say, if you pick them there to bro. So, understand what me, I say, no. TT know and TT have sense. She no fucking need that. She in her streets long time. She can't see somebody a style with. You sit down on the live with him for 5, 6, 7, 8. And then boom, you want to come say everything different this morning. Not different, bro. You use on the head because you would not obsolete in the night, bro. They on live with that, they use the specific.
Plus, you say you're pregnant.
How much people they on TikTok to blood club play with? You get what I say? And you choose your ex to play with because you want to get piece of screen recording. And the man say, yo, this and Annie that a house, bro, class. You have to jump. You know, you did this with him stay too. You get me? I say? Might be a touch and a laugh to one rare, but watch out, mama. Don't try to use the head from people that try to help you out there. And that you have to know in your life. Because we are styling every day.
It a go turn back on time, man. Karma is a really, it's a bitch. Don't use
For real, Daniel. For real.
Straightforward, you know. Sorry for who
Somebody
you
says
saying, you know.
True. No, man, I respect you for that, Daniel, man. That's true. I real talk. Everything we say, I write this the whole thing there.
Yeah, man. I want to hold on the chat. I'm asking you, hold on the chat as a facts right now. I'm not ask.
Cause they know really cool me.
Yeah, turn on back. Nobody never tell you turn on what you call it, stop if
And
you
I'm
turn
turn
on.
it off.
When me want say, me ask your moderator, Anna,
Mom?
we want to get down to the baby bump part. Or the baby bump did excite me.
Alright.
You have to go do 2 tests for the live in the morning and make you see. Somebody send the white to pregnant to test it.
Okay.
So she's pregnant with
What she say? What she say?
Zoe, yes, Zoe, go in there, Zoe. Yes, Zoe, do what Zoe. You're gonna see her now, granny just.
Your friend.
I walk one.
You will see him run there.
How you ma do?
Zoe,
In there, na mirror dance up backside.
she over
Guys,
there.
catch your speed, chat.
Come in, chat. Roses, chat.
Guys, 10 rows, guys. 10 rows.
Full.
Catch your speed.
Thank you. Everybody send a rose.
You guys come in.
10 rows.
One more. Thank you.
That is every day I be interested in there, mama.
Chat, my beg gonna use the double, please.
So I push up.
No, that look a bit there, man.
I forgot to beg
Yes,
something.
son, I
Chat.
beg you interested in there.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, guys. What back me doing as Zoe?
Back to you.
Sure, thank you. Come on.
The right information.
Oh God, me guys,
Thank you.
guys, a wheeler from man. Me beg you wheeler.
Chat, guys. Everybody double tap, chat.
Chat, everybody.
Guys, anything funny double.
Chat.
Anything funny double.
And
Just
two.
bless me.